Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Toyota Yaris vs Myvi full comparison. Follow along as I guide you through key categories like performance, fuel economy, interior comfort, safety, and ownership costs, point by point. I'll explain what matters most for city commuting, highway driving, and long-term expenses, and I'll summarize strengths and weaknesses so you can make a confident choice without wading through jargon. Let's talk performance and handling in a clear, friendly way. I'll describe engine feel, acceleration, and how each car behaves during city driving, highway cruising, and winding roads. You'll hear about suspension comfort versus sportiness and what that means for passengers. I'll also compare steering precision and turning radius so you understand which model makes parking and tight maneuvers easier, helping you match driving style to vehicle choice. If you're enjoying this comparison, please subscribe and like. It really helps. Quick recommendation. On another note, I've been using a set of leak-proof meal prep containers. They make packed lunches and long drives so much easier. Check the description for the link and other deals. Your support lets me keep making helpful videos like this, and now let's get back to the video. Now we'll cover economy and ownership in plain terms, focusing on fuel consumption, maintenance costs, insurance, and resale implications. I'll translate manufacturer specs into realistic expectations you can use for budgeting, including typical MPG in city and highway conditions. We'll also look at common repair costs and reliability trends so you can anticipate what ownership will feel like month to month and year to year without surprises.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.